Dear Rinpoche, you have shared about Vajrayogini and why her practice is apt for our modern times. I'd really like to know more about why this is so. There was a time when the wrathful forms of compassion were too strong for me to even look at. And when I heard you speak about Vajrayogini's appropriateness for our modern times, it made me very curious.
Buddhas manifest according to time, place, need, karma, and degeneration. As times gets more degenerate, and we get further away from Shakyamunis, now 2,600 years, some of the methods may not be applicable anymore, while some methods that were dormant, or not as popular, or inappropriate in the past becomes the best method. And this can change again also. It's flexible due to need. In our time of degeneration, the strongest driving impulse for many actions done is desire or lust. Vajrayogini's Tantra is a direct opponent of this. So without immediately removing desire, in her path, many ordinary actions we need to do daily are transformed into actions of the path, or for the path. Hence Vajrayogini's path is very swift. Ordinary actions daily become extraordinary when we practice her path, hence quickening the collection of merits that leads to the destruction of projections that bind us still. I have written other items on my blog under the category Vajrayogini. You can click on the link below this video. Wrathful or peaceful deities are just deities acting according to our disposition. From their side, there is no wrath or peace, just enlightenment. So don't get caught up with the iconography alone. I wish you the best. Tsem Rinpoche.